To add an Amazon Prime Visa to Prime Video, start by signing in to your Amazon account on the Amazon website or mobile app. Navigate to the Amazon Prime section and ensure you have an active Prime membership. If you do not have a Prime membership, sign up for one to proceed. Next, go to the Amazon Wallet section, which can be found in your account settings. In the Amazon Wallet, click on Add a credit or debit card and enter your Amazon Prime Visa card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify that the information is correct and click Save. After adding your Amazon Prime Visa card, go to the Prime Video section. Prime Video is included with your Amazon Prime membership, so you do not need to pay extra for it. However, to use your Amazon Prime Visa card for purchases or rentals on Prime Video, you need to set it as your default payment method. To do this, go to the Prime Video settings and click on Payment Options. Select your Amazon Prime Visa card as the default payment method and confirm. You can now use your Amazon Prime Visa card to make purchases or rentals on Prime Video. It is essential to note that the Amazon Prime Visa card offers rewards and benefits, such as cashback and travel insurance, which can be used on Prime Video purchases. To maximize your rewards, use your Amazon Prime Visa card for all your Prime Video purchases and rentals. In conclusion, adding an Amazon Prime Visa to Prime Video is a straightforward process that requires you to add your card to the Amazon wallet and set it as your default payment method on Prime Video. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of your Amazon Prime Visa card on Prime Video and maximize your rewards.